Vanadium, a critical mineral for its role in decarbonisation. Vanadium, magnetite and gold explorer Surefire Resources is raising capital. $2 million in a private placement, another $2 million in a non-renounceable entitlement offer. Joining me is the Managing Director of Surefire Resources, Paul Burton. Paul, $4 million is quite the war chest. What are you using the funds for?
Well, the main use of the funds is for our Victory Bore Vanadium Project. That's quite an advanced project. We're just about to complete the pre-feasibility study. Those results should be out within the next couple of weeks, and I'm expecting a very strong result. The reason it's going to be strong is that we are downstream processing in Saudi Arabia, where power costs are very, very low, so our operating costs are going to be low. And also the capex will be much lower because it will be located in one of their industrial hubs. We've had, I'm here in Sydney at the IMART conference. We've had extremely good discussions with the Ministry of Investment for Saudi Arabia, who we signed an MOU with a few weeks ago. They're very keen for us to do downstream processing there, so I'm very sure this is going to move our project along swiftly. So from the Australian side, that means that we've got a very low cost operation. We ship the magnetite across to Saudi and process there for the Saudi market. All of our products are in demand in Saudi. So that's our main project. The other projects that we have, the gold and the magnetite projects, also interesting, very big projects for a company of our size. But our flagship project is the vanadium one.
Well, what's the long-term outlook for Surefire Resources?
Well, a long-term outlook is for us to be a vanadium producer in the big minerals boom that's happening within Saudi Arabia. So our resource will be a simple mining operation to produce the magnetite here across to Saudi Arabia and be part of their own decarbonisation plans for 2030 to move the population away from their dependence on oil and gas and into more mineral processing industries. So that's what we plan to be part of. It's an extremely exciting time for the company.
It is. Now you're the Managing Director. Here's your pitch to investors. Why is Surefire Resources a good investment prospect?
Well, I mean, if I hadn't said enough already on the vanadium, it's a project that's really getting up and will probably be ahead of many of the other vanadium potential projects. There's that one, and it's not reflected at all in our share price or our market cap. Our market cap should be 4 or 5 times what it is just with that one project. But as we have 2 other projects, both sizable ones, the gold project is over 3 kilometers in size now. We've been doing extensive metallurgical work this year, and there should be results coming out from that within the next few weeks as well. I'm hoping that's going to be extremely encouraging, and it could be a very large gold resource there. And finally, the other jewel in the crown that we have is the large high-grade magnetite project. Over 1 billion tonnes there, very close to Geraldton Port. Again, that's one that we've introduced to the Saudis, but any one of those projects should have a market cap in any company of about 100 million. So there's a huge investment opportunity for us now as we start to tick off some of these milestones to development.
Well, thank you, Paul. Appreciate your time here today.
You're very welcome.
Now, just to recap what we've heard, Surefire Resources is raising up to $4 million. The funds will go towards the company's Victory Bore Vanadium Project, as well as its other promising assets at the Yidby Gold Project and the Perenjori Iron Ore Project. For more information, check out Grafa.com.